Hello everyone, this tutorial is very helpful. In this tutorial I'm gonna give stars based upon the rating. As you can see the data, these are the hotels and their ratings you can see, and I want to give the stars based upon the ratings of these hotels. So I want to give the dynamic stars based upon the ratings. For that I will use a repeat function. So just use a repeat function, double quotes, and then press Windows and dot to open the emoji windows. So Windows plus dot, and here just type the star, and you can see the star here. If it is not shown, just type the star and you will be able to see the star. So just select this and double quotes close and comma, and select this cell and bracket close and press enter, and you can see the rating of this hotel is 3, and I can see the 3 stars. Just simply drag this and you can see the stars based upon the rating. You can change the font style, font color you can change from here. So very simple. Now let's say we have another hotel. Hotel is beta, let's say, and the rating is, let's say, 2, and the you can see the stars are generated dynamically. So you can apply the same formatting here. So this way you can generate stars based on the rating in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.